Honda Sensing is the name of Honda's driver-assistive system. Honda Sensing offers diverse functions that use high-precision data from advanced sensing devices to provide assistance to drivers in various situations. It makes driving safer and more comfortable. When the Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, forecasts potential collisions with preceding vehicles, pedestrians, and oncoming vehicles, it provides visual and audio warnings. If the risk of collision increases, the system applies mild braking. If the vehicle approaches further, it applies strong braking to help avoid impact or mitigate damage. Even if pedestrians or bicycles dart out, the sensors detect the type, size, location, and speed of the object, forecasts collision, and stops or decelerates the vehicle. When the collision mitigation throttle control function detects an immobile obstacle such as a wall in front of the car and the driver accidentally presses the accelerator, it provides visual and audio warnings and suppresses sudden acceleration. If the system determines that collision is unavoidable, it engages the brakes to help avoid impact or mitigate damage. The rear collision mitigation throttle control function also engages the brakes to help avoid impact or mitigate damage. When the vehicle is traveling at low speeds of 10 kilometers per hour or less and is likely to collide with an obstacle such as a wall due to driver error, the system alerts the driver and suppresses sudden acceleration. If it determines that collision is unavoidable, it engages the brakes. When backing up as well, it engages the brakes. The Pedestrian Collision Mitigation Steering System detects pedestrians on the side of the road. When it forecasts a collision with pedestrians as a result of the vehicle straying from the lane, it provides visual and audio warnings and assistance with steering the vehicle back into its lane to help avoid the collision. The lead car departure notification system provides visual and audio warnings when the vehicle is stopped, such as at a traffic light, and the preceding vehicle accelerates, but the driver does not press the accelerator. The traffic sign recognition function shows traffic signs on the display at an appropriate timing to help ensure that traffic signs are not overlooked, supporting safer driving. The road departure mitigation system detects lane boundaries and unpaved areas, and if the vehicle is likely to stray from a detected lane or the roadway, the system gives a visual warning on the display and vibrates the steering wheel. In addition, the system applies corrective steering input to bring the vehicle back in the lane. It offers advanced recognition performance for faded lane lines and provides assistance with steering back to the center of the lane as well. Adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow controls braking and acceleration to maintain the set speed. Even if another vehicle cuts into the lane, it detects the distance from the vehicle and the speed difference between the vehicles and maintains an appropriate distance. When the preceding vehicle exits the lane by changing lanes, it accelerates to the set speed. Distance between the preceding vehicle can be kept during traffic jams. When the preceding vehicle accelerates, low speed following is resumed at the touch of a switch or by pressing the accelerator. The Lane Keeping Assist System, or LKAS, detects the edges of lanes while driving on highways and assists the driver's steering to keep the vehicle in the middle of its lane, even on curves. When the vehicle is likely to stray from a lane, the system alerts the driver and assists with returning to the middle of the lane. The auto high beam headlights automatically switch the headlights to low beam when driving at night or on dark streets, such as tunnels, and preceding vehicles or oncoming vehicles are detected. When there are no vehicles in front of the car, the headlights are automatically switched back to high beam. Enjoy safer and more comfortable driving with the Honda Sensing driver-assistive system, which supports drivers in a wide range of situations.